What's up, guys? We're up here well, it's morning time. We're up here in Angeles City, like downtown Angeles City. I had to come up here, order some shocks for the motorcycle, the scooter. The suspension on the NMAX, it's hard and it's rough, and I'm not gonna ride around and beat my back up. So I came up here and ordered some shocks. I'll do a video on that later. I had to order them, and they got to be shipped in. So they said about 2 weeks. So we're up here right now, up here in this area. I'm just gonna do a walk around this morning. It's a nice cool morning. Sun's out, but it's not like beating on us. We're in the shade. Up here, while we're up here, we'll walk around. Up here, when you park, they have paid parking here. But what's nice is there are open spots. So that's the nice thing about it. I think there's a guy in the green shirt right there. He's your parking guy, and I think we pay like 30 pesos to park. I think it's 20 for an hour, and then I think 10 pesos after that. But what is this hospital? Dr. Armando L. Garcia Medical Center. Got your little stores here. Open this morning. There's your breakfast menu. A lot of times. Smells good. That's typical. That's a Filipino breakfast right there. They're not, I mean, they eat it, but it's not like an American style breakfast here. You know, eggs. Huh?
What's that?
That looks like a pine tree.
Pine tree, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's not your like typical American style breakfast, you know, eggs, bacon, hash browns, pancakes, oatmeal, you know, your typical American style breakfast. Like I said, they eat it here, but a lot of Filipinos just eat food like you guys just seen. Is that a new hospital yet? No. No? Many years? This is a shaded side of the store. They serve some breakfast there. Good morning. Angeles Medical Center. Is that up here on the right, Lut?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been in that hospital. That's where Lut took me. On the other side. Left side.
It's a new one.
Okay, that's the new one.
I forgot when they did this order. But that's not long enough to me.
Which one was I at? The one on the left.
On the left side.
Yeah, we'll get up there. I'll show you. That's where Lut took me when I had Dungy. Now, we have a friend whose brother is security guard at the hospital. So
Yeah.
we go in there, we see him, and we get bumped to the front of the line. This is Rizal Street, guys. That's the street we're on right now that we're walking.
I bring you down there.
Yeah. It's like a Captain America bike, huh? Captain America. There's an NMAX.
That's yours? That's your bike.
Yep. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the emergency room I went in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's before.
Yeah. Went in there and hello, good morning.
Hi, Pants.
That's when I had Dungy, and that was not fun. Dungy, no fun, Dungy. That was 2013. They treated me good in there. I don't think Clark Medical wasn't, I don't know if Clark Medical was up and running at the time. But it didn't matter because we were living over in Hensonville. I don't even think we knew about Clark Medical at that time. Yeah, really nice day or morning so far. Hey, yesterday afternoon rained a lot. You know, it's rainy season, and sun went away and humidity went away. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
And I shut the air conditioner off. That's how nice it was. Now we're coming up on the market area, but I'm gonna keep going straight here. I'm gonna keep walking straight. This smells good, huh? Where you going, Lut? Huh? No, I wanna walk straight here. These things are good. They're like little pancakes. I've had them before. They're good. Still closed. Is it here, Lloyd? One of these? Alright. Like I said, this is Rizal. Look, needs to go to one of these stores here. She needs to get soap.
Yeah.
Soap for the store? It's closed?
Maybe.
Huh?
We are gonna go there to the back of the church to have it there.
Alright.
Every morning.
Every morning, that's what you hear. Tempered glass. We'll just keep walking down Rizal. Keep walking down Rizal Street. Everybody's busy. Hustle and bustle. Everybody's getting their produce out. She got her peppers out. Fresh produce. Morning. Corn. Mango, 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 mango. I'd say Nicholas Market back there.
Yeah.
I've vlogged that back in there a couple times. You know, one of the things when you walk up here, you don't need to be afraid, but you do have to keep an eye open. You know, there are pickpocketers. Hello, good morning. There are pickpocketers, but like I said, you always got to keep your eye open. Oh, your purse is Louis Vuitton's, right? Look. I bought you a Louis Vuitton. It fell apart.
Yeah. Let's like a year.
Lasted about a year. Then the seams started ripping out and tearing and everything.
That one.
Which one? Yeah. All knockoff brands.
It's only good for you.
Hello, good morning. Oh, no, thank you. Sweet corn. It's good. I just had breakfast. Here's sweet corn. Morning hustle and bustle of Angeles City. There's all your delivery trucks that come up here, drop off.
Hey, Patoli.
Hello, good morning. What do you say, Lord?
Patula.
What's that?
That's a vegetable.
Oh, that's the vegetables. Okay. I hear loud music. Imagine that. Looks like the center is. Looks like the center is shut down. Maybe something's going on. Something's going on up here. Something's going on. Let's find out. Oh, it's the national anthem. Okay, here it is, guys. Look, the national anthem. You got everybody stopped. Cars stopped. Everybody stopped. Even Lutz stopped. I kept walking. Oh no, thank you. Even look at this. Now it's up and running again. Even Lutz stopped. I turned around and she was gone. But you know what? Here, isn't that amazing that these people, they don't have much. A lot of people struggle. People have a hard time here. But you know what? They're friendly people. They're happy people. You know what? They love their country. When they play that national anthem, you guys seen it. Everything comes to a stop. Everything. The cars, people on bicycles, people walking. People stop. They face the music. They pay respect to their country. Don't get me started. Don't even get me started. They don't kneel down. They don't show disrespect. If you're in the mall and if you're in a movie theater, when they play that song, you will stand, you will rise, and you will pay respect to their, they pay respect to their country. And if you don't, guess what? They'll arrest you. They'll arrest you, right? Look, it's been done. People have been arrested for not standing the national anthem in the movie theaters.
Yeah.
Right.
You need to stand the opening and the closing.
Right. Like I say, don't get me started. The crybaby athletes that want to kneel. It's my right. Don't get me started. But anyways, here it is, the hustle and bustle of downtown Angeles City. And that's what's going on this morning. You see it, guys. Very busy. Very, very busy this morning. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Like I said, we're out and about this morning. Figured I'd take a little stroll down Rizal Street. Now I know where it comes out. I know where it comes in. And that explains all the traffic. Comes up down here to the circle. And anything to say, Lut? Somewhere back there. There you are. Anything to say, Lut?
See you next time.
See you next time. We got some more walking to do.